Right guys, this is about 1 week later and I have returned to the richest estate in Chiang Mai. So my previous vlog about this place was called, and this time we're going to go and try and look around one of the show homes. I thought that would be a cool vlog. I would come back, and the place that I showed at the beginning of the last time I was here on the video, that nice place, and it was for sale and you could come and have a look. So yeah, a week later I thought we could come back and see if we can go in and have a look around. And now I'm down here, I found another different area and it's even better, man. That's a house. Look at it. These are better than the last one, guys. These are a step above. So yeah, I've stumbled across these. And look at this place here. So I'm glad I did come back. I don't know if we will be able to have a look in that open house or not, but hopefully we can. And look at this place here, look. Look at that. Right, so I'm gonna go and find that open house. Touchdown back at the house that we was at last week, and we're gonna try and go in and have a look around. It looks like there's somebody in there. I've had a chat with the owner and we're allowed to go in and have a look around, man. Walk about, Wayne. He's living it up today. So yeah, we allowed in. So this is it. This is the downstairs. Wow, amazing. So guys, could you see yourself living in here? So we got like this is a separate kitchen and the main kitchen's out here. Yes, look, there's a kitchen out there, look. And you get a small kitchen here. Massive big dining room. And yeah, there's a swimming pool out there as well. Can we have a look? Maybe. Yeah, got your own swimming pool. Yes. Oh, it's nice, isn't it? Just coming out your house, dipping in the pool in the morning. Your private pool. Ah, amazing. So this is your house?
Yes, my house.
Okay. And how long have you lived here?
8 years.
This house looks really new. So you buy this house when it was new? Yeah. Okay, 8 years. This house 8 years old. So this would be your living area, guys, where you could sit, watch the TV. And I can look out here. Thank you. So the lady has lived here since it was built 8 years ago. Don't know what this is. Looks like a storage area, wardrobes. It is right, yeah, storage. Proper storage room, look. That's bigger than my room, that is. And in here you got your downstairs toilet. I want to show you all of it. So that's all of the downstairs. Right, so we've got permission to do the whole house. Oh, this is nice. So it looks like halfway up there's an office space. That's what I'm getting here, guys. Wow, she got it really nice, ain't she? Really clean. Wow. Look. She got London Bridge book, 1176 to 1209. So there, then you go up a little step again. left side, you got a bedroom. Yeah, this is nice, isn't it? Very nice. Got your views overlooking the fields, nice and quiet. So I wouldn't say this is the master bedroom. So you got your ensuite lit. Ensuite, nice in it, very, very nice. Right, so we go over again. We got another nice bedroom here with an ensuite. Yeah, walkabout Wayne's moving in, man. We're moving in. Ah, oh, nice. So that's 2 bedrooms. And then you've got like a chill out place here with a massive window overlooking your front yard. You could stand here thinking, look what I got. Just sitting back with a coffee. This is where I would sit probably in the mornings. And it is really clean here. Wow, this is the master bedroom. That's what you call a bedroom, man. Oh, wow. Look at the size of the TV. Yeah, the master. Just try and give you the full scale of it, because sometimes the camera don't do it justice. You got all your new style storage here. Got your dressing table. Bet the ensuite's pretty nice as well in the main bedroom. Yeah. Really, really nice. Got your bathtub. This is what I miss from back home. I miss having a good old bath. When I was growing up, I hated showers. I always wanted a bath. And I remember my mum shouting at me saying, it costs lots of money to have a bath. You need to start taking a shower instead. So yeah, then I started taking showers, but I always used to love me bath, just lazing in it. What are we saying, guys? Shall we all move in here? I don't think there is any more to it. It's a big place, but it looks bigger outside, but it always does, doesn't it? When you see a big house, it always seems smaller. But we'll have a look outside again in a minute. Gonna try and ask the lady some questions if I can.
Move from here.
You will move to. You will stay in Chiang Mai.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Bangkok.
Oh, you will go to Bangkok.
Yeah.
Oh, you have it on the website. 17.5 million.
Yeah.
Okay, 17.5 million. And what site is this on? This is a Thai property site?
I cannot speak English.
Okay, yeah, I understand.
You can call.
Yeah, it looks like it's on a site called Willa, guys. And you can call or you can find the website. But the price is 17.5 million. I will put that up in dollars on the screen. I'm not sure what that is. 4 bedrooms. Yeah, and she has a big write-up about everything that we've just seen. So I will try and find the site when I get home and put the link down below. So this is your garden. You could come out here. I would say this is maybe a barbecue area. And I didn't see a garage. I don't think there is. I'm sure there must be a garage. Oh, I suppose they've just got this here where you keep your car. But she's got it really nice. Yeah, I don't see a garage. I think there's like a utility room. We had a look at that place, I think. I'll just show you from the front again. It's really nice. I like it. Not that I can afford it, but it's nice. I'll just show you the pool area again. So you come here, chill out, have your coffee in the mornings near your pool. I thought it was barbecue. So the furniture is included in the house.
Yeah.
Everything.
Everything.
Okay. The car?
No.
Okay. But everything outside, everything inside,
Yeah.
all the seats around the pool, everything. Okay, so everything's included. 17.5 million baht. So you live here with your husband, your family?
Yeah, family.
Okay, so your husband at work now?
Yeah.
Or
Now I moved to Chiang Mai.
Chiang
Stay
Mai?
in Chiang Mai.
Wow, I lived Chiang Mai before.
Yeah.
Yeah, I love Chiang Mai.
So one week I come to camping.
Okay. I came here last week. I read the sign. It's a Sunday open house. So I came back today to
So
see.
today, คุณประดิษฐ์ today don't have lights open แล้วก็ close
No lights.
yeah.
Okay, no lights here. Or
Today no.
okay, it's okay. It's
So-
not dark.
so hot
Yeah, yeah.
and, I think so not open house today.
I will show lots of people your house, okay?
Okay.
Lots of people will see. I will show lots of Westerners. Maybe one will be interested. Okay? So yeah, this is where you could park your car, guys. Got enough room for 3 cars. Yeah, 3 cars. So I'm gonna leave this lovely lady now. She's been really good showing me around her house. And yeah, I could have come in this way, I think, but I come in this way. Thank you. Take care. Have a good day. Okay. Wow, such a nice lady. You know, you never know what to expect, do you? Whether somebody's going to say, get out of my house, or you're not having a look, but it's for sale. And yeah, this could help. Somebody could find the vlog and like the house, put in an offer. You never know. So looks like she was happy. I was happy to have a look around. This great place, man. Really liked it. It's so clean and tidy. I mean, they must have a cleaner in here all the time, because there's no way that lady is keeping it that clean like that. She would be knackered, man, keeping it that clean. Looks like they got cleaners coming in and really taking care of the place, I would have thought. You can find it here, but I'm gonna try my best to find it online, find the website she showed me. Or you can come and have a look as well. 10 till 3 on a Sunday. So hope you like the tour. Is it luxury? I don't know. It's luxury to me where I'm from. Maybe for some of you it's not, but yeah, I had a good time. I thought last week I'd come back and show you around, and it was good fun, eh? So I'm gonna get home. It's Sunday. I'm gonna chill and take it easy today. So yeah, hope you're all safe and sound, guys, and I will see you in the next one. So take it easy, man. Take it easy. Tally ho! Let's move in. Let's all chip in. Get your money out. Come on.